I'm here at 1313 Gironde Court in Wake Forest, our newest listing hitting the market today. It's a 4,600 square foot estate home with 5 bedrooms. It's located in the St. Ives subdivision of Wake Forest. It's nestled on about 0.7 acres. It's in a cul-de-sac. It's a custom built home by Homestead Building Company. It's got so much to offer, lots of custom finishes throughout. Look forward to showing it to you. Come take a look. So as you enter the home, you've got 2 rooms on either side of you. You've got a dining room, which they're actually currently using as an office, and then an office, which they're currently using as an exercise room. So one of the themes throughout this house is all of the rooms are super versatile. You can customize to your own living style. Super open floor plan, beautiful gourmet kitchen with white cabinetry and granite countertops, crown molding, and lots of millwork throughout this home. Being a custom home, that's one of the things that you're gonna see. These rounded drywall arches, all of these extra touches take that just a little bit more time to build, and it's something that you're not gonna see in a production house. One of the coolest features of the house is this mudroom. All these built-ins and the wainscoting. As you walk into the home, especially if you've got kids, or if you just got a lot of stuff, there's plenty of room to put everything that you have without getting it into, the main living space here. Beautiful private backyard and screen porch. Lots of pine trees, evergreen trees, and these oaks will thicken up here in the next couple of months. From a bedroom standpoint, you've got 1 bedroom on the first floor with an ensuite bathroom. You've got 3 bedrooms on the second floor, and you've got a 5th bedroom on the 3rd floor, which we'll see in a minute. So this is one of 2 bonus spaces you can make into a theater, a media room, or if you got a pool table, you could put a gym in here. So much flexibility and versatility in this home. And in here, you've got some unfinished storage, which in a house this size is absolutely crucial to have. Let's go see the master bedroom because it is huge. This space could easily be 2 rooms. It's an enormous master suite. Obviously, you've got the room for a California king bed with plenty of space on either side. And you've got this area here that you can use for sitting, reading nook. Flows nicely into the bathroom. Double vanity, garden tub, walk-in shower, and a really nice size master closet. Now this closet, you could easily build an island here with built-in cabinetry if you needed more space, but as you can see, just tons of room for your clothes, and it flows right into the laundry room. It's one of my favorite features about the house. I love when they do this. It's just so forward thinking to be able to take your clothes off here in the closet and go right into the laundry room without having to trek with a laundry basket through the house. We go up to the 3rd floor. It's behind this glass door, which is really a nice touch. It lets you know that there's an additional space. So this space can be used for whatever you want it to be. Current owner actually is a photographer by profession, so this is her studio. You could make this a playroom, you could make this a game room, a media room, and then back here is the 5th bedroom with a full bathroom. So if you got older kids, maybe they want their own space. This whole floor here functions like an apartment, which is super cool. And again, even up here, you'll notice the rounded corners on the sheetrock, just really a nice touch. So this house is going live today, $1,050,000. We've got 2 open houses this weekend, Saturday 1 to 3, Sunday 2 to 4. Give us a call, we'll give you a private tour, and I hope to see you then.